Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering down and isolating the device to prevent shorts. Once done, remove the back cover and battery or unplug the unit, and then unscrew panels using a small Phillips. Make sure to photograph screw locations and any cable routing so you can reassemble correctly. Next, use a flathead to gently pry the housing clips. You want access to the PCB and the phone jack itself. As you go, keep screws organized and watch for hidden clips to avoid breaking plastics. Now inspect the jack closely under good light and a magnifier to spot dirt, bent contacts, or cracked solder joints. Cleaning with isopropyl and a soft brush removes grime. Next, power on only the low-voltage board or use a multimeter to test continuity from the jack pads to the audio circuit to find where the signal breaks. If you find a cold solder joint, reflow it with a soldering iron. If a pin is bent, align it carefully with needle nose pliers to restore contact without snapping the metal. After repairs, install a replacement jack or reflow solder to restore solid joints. Make sure the new part matches the original 3.5 mm wiring and that pads are clean before soldering. Once solder cools, reassemble the housing in reverse, reconnect the battery or mains, and perform a hands-on test using a known good headset and music. If audio still fails, use the multimeter to reconfirm continuity and swap cables. This troubleshooting step isolates whether the issue is the jack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.